Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to duplicate a task in Asana. This is a great way to save time when you have repetitive tasks and you want to carry over the same details to a new task without starting from scratch. Let's get started. Step 1. Signing into Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your admin dashboard, where you can manage all your projects and tasks. Step 2. Navigating to your project. Now, head over to the left side of the screen where you'll find the Projects tab. In this tutorial, we're going to be working with a project called Designs. Select the project you want to work with, and you'll see a variety of views such as Board, Timeline, Calendar, and List. For this tutorial, we're going to use the list view because it allows us to see all tasks in a straightforward list format, making it easier to duplicate them. Step 3. Selecting a task to duplicate. In the list view, you'll see all the tasks within the project. Tasks might be grouped based on different sections you've created. Now, let's say you want to duplicate a task. For example, let's say we want to duplicate the task Draft Project Brief. Simply click on the task you want to duplicate to open its details. Step 4. Duplicating the task. Once the task is open, look for the More Options button, which is represented by 3 dots in the upper right corner of the task window. Click on it, and a menu will appear. Select Duplicate Task from the menu. Step 5. Choosing what to include in the duplication. After you select Duplicate Task, Asana will prompt you with options for what to include in the new task. You'll have several options to choose from, including Task Name. You can modify the name if you like. For example, Duplicate of Draft Project. Brief. Task Description. Assignee. You can choose to assign it to the same person or someone else. Subtasks. Attachments. Tags. Collaborators. Projects. You can choose to add the task to the same project or another project. Due dates. You can either keep the same due date or set a new one. A helpful tip here is to uncheck the due date box if you plan to set a new deadline for the duplicated task. By default, Asana will copy over the original task's due date, but you can always customize it afterward. Step 6. Avoiding dependencies. If the task you're duplicating has any dependencies, Asana will ask if you want to duplicate them as well. If you don't want to carry over those dependencies, you can choose not to duplicate them, or you can remove the dependency in the original task before duplicating. It's a good practice to double-check your dependencies to avoid accidental links to other tasks or projects. Step 7. Finalizing the duplication. Once you've selected all the elements you want to include in the duplicated task, click Create New Task. Asana will create the new task with all the information you've chosen to duplicate, and it will appear in your task list under the relevant project. If you need to duplicate several tasks at once, Asana doesn't yet have a built-in method to duplicate multiple tasks in bulk. However, a workaround is to use the multi-select feature. You can select multiple tasks using Shift or Control command on Mac, and then manually duplicate each one using the process described above. Although this method isn't as fast as a bulk duplicate feature, it can still help streamline your workflow. And that's it. Duplicating tasks in Asana is a quick and easy way to save time when working with recurring tasks. Whether it's for a project brief, regular check-ins, or task templates, this feature can help you stay organized and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Asana tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.